With news stories you won't see on any other station.
52 minutes past the hour. Today, Congress returns to Washington for its first full week of legislative business since Democrats took control of the House. They're still working on a budget deal as we reach day 24 of the partial government shutdown. Thousands of federal workers still aren't getting paid, and people who have cases before the federal immigration court in Cleveland are in limbo. Only the E-Team's Kevin Barry explains why the delay could postpone those hearings for years.
Since the government shutdown started at the end of December, federal immigration court hearings that could have been the difference between someone being allowed to stay in the United States or get deported have had to be rescheduled.
People who have been waiting for years are now hitting these setbacks that'll push them back a few more years until they have a final hearing.
Immigration attorney Jessica Rodriguez-Bell says people who are currently detained are still able to see a judge. Those judges and the staff who work with them are considered essential employees. But hearings for people who have been released are being rescheduled for the next available opening on a judge's calendar. Jessica's law partner, Brian DeFranco, says those hearings require a 3-hour block, which is hard to find because the federal immigration court system is so backlogged already.
On most of the judges in Cleveland's calendars, that results in either 2021 or 2022 for that next available 3-hour block of time.
So cases scheduled to be heard today that might have already been pending for months or years go to the back of the line. While it can be frustrating, Jessica says the delay isn't always a bad thing.
Some people are happy because that gives 2 or 3 more years to see, let's see if there's any type of immigration reform that may help them.
Brian says once the government shutdown is over, the federal hearings that are scheduled for the next day should proceed as scheduled. In Cleveland, I'm Kevin Barry for the E-Team.